It's a bit Christopher. Today I'm going to take you through how do you get the 3 best values in the quizzes done by the 5 quizzes done by 12 people. So this is it. You see 93 is the first, followed by 92, and the third is 87. So I'm going to remove this. Now, how do we do this? We use the large function that is equal to large, and the large function we only find it in 365 for now, and any office which is above 2019. So our array, we are going to select from quiz 1 to quiz 5. Then we are supposed to lock the rows. So you're going to press F4 on your keyboard, not until you lock the row. Then the column will remain a variable. So I will press F4, not until only the columns are locked. So comma, the K is the constant. So the constant we have here is we want the first largest. So we shall click on 1. Now, since we have more in the variable columns, changing columns to I to J, which means I'm going to lock the row and leave the column a variable. So I'll press my F4 until only the row is locked and the column is a variable. Close bracket and enter. So this is a 93. I'll drag this to the right, and here we go, and fill this to up to the end, and boom, there you go. Please remember to leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe, as in serious. Meet you in the next video.